morning, ladies and gentlemen. According to child development expert Victoria Tower said that a very strict childcare system can have an impact on the way children respond and how they treat others, especially their parents. As we know, parents are the first teacher for their children. The choice of parenting for children is very influential on children's growth and development in the future. In the first 6 years, it was the time that determined how influential parenting was applied by parents to their children. Many parents who think with a strict foster system can make children have good character, whereas children who grow up with strict care can cause problems with their behavior later on. For example, children grow up lying easily. Therefore, adoption of strict care is not effective in forming children who have disciplined character. Today, I want to show you the reason for strict parenting for not raising disciplined children. As the first point, strict parenting usually has too many rules. We know that children feel that their freedom is regulated through their parents because too many rules are not suitable for children. Moreover, there are rigid rules from parents who force children to always behave by the wishes of parents. Also, children who feel restricted in their freedom will usually have an impact on their behavior that tend to choose to look for gaps in the rule given by their parents. With so many strict rules, children are not disciplined but can become dissident or rebel children. This is because the figure of parent with strict care tend to be very dominant and like full control over their children. Furthermore, this is because parents with strict parenting pattern usually have absolute standard that must be carried out by the child. Parents tend to respect children's obedience and respect for parents. Indeed, to regulate children into discipline requires clear rules. But try to give concession to children by looking at the situation and condition. Secondly, parents tend to say no to everything. From strict care, there will sometimes be by many rules, and of course, parents tend to forbid their children who will defy from those rules. Usually, parents with strict parenting also apply one-way communication so that parents do not listen to their children's opinions. Moreover, parents usually don't want to give their children the chance to regulate themselves and always expect their children to obey all the rules. According to parents who adopt a strict parenting system, they believe that strict patterns are the best way to educate disciplined children. In conclusion, a strict parenting system is not suitable to be applied in shaping the character of discipline in children. That because with strict parenting patterns such as the existence of many rules and parents who tend in always forbid children will harm on the child's character in the future. For example, children become incompetent and tend to have low responsibilities. Moreover, girls become dependent on their parents and do not have the motivation to move forward, while boys tend to be more aggressive. Therefore, parents should be wise in choosing the right parenting system for their children, so that children do not feel burdened with the care parents adopt, and parents must be able to create a pleasant atmosphere for children so that children feel comfortable and have a good character desired by parents. Thank you.